I asked you guys what I should do with this second wooden cabinet I got on Facebook Marketplace, and you all said something fun with stain. I immediately thought of this cabinet I saw a while ago that has beautiful stain stripes, and I wondered, could I stain a pattern on wood? The first step was to give it a really good sand down. I sanded this with a really fine grit sandpaper because stain takes so much better when the surface is smooth. I spent a bit of time and got a bit messy testing different stain combinations for my stripes. In the end, I decided to go with Watson's Prooftint Antique Brown, and I actually added some color reducer for the lighter stripes. For the lighter color, I mixed up half teak brown and half color reducer, and then I stained the whole cabinet in that color. I then used painter's tape to tape the whole front of the cabinet in stripes. I then did a couple of coats of that darker, undiluted teak brown. I was so nervous pulling off that tape, but it worked pretty well. There was a tiny bit of bleed around where there was knots of wood, but overall, I'm pretty surprised it worked. For the legs, I decided to use some heavy-duty cardboard tubing, which I wrapped with the sticky bark veneer paper that I'd stained in the same colour as the cabinet. I used the same veneer in the back of the cabinet, which was just MDF, and the last step was to seal it all using a nice satin varnish. To finish off, I attached those legs to the base of the cabinet, and look at it! I can't believe this little cabinet cost me like $25, and it can be made to look so elegant using stain.